Hey there! Welcome back to Budget Buying. Today, we're checking out the best rechargeable guitar tuner, the B&B GT20 Rechargeable Guitar Tuner. If you want fast, precise tuning and a device that works with multiple instruments, this little gadget is a must-have. Let's get started. The B&B GT20 Rechargeable Guitar Tuner is designed to make tuning effortless and accurate. Whether you play guitar, bass, ukulele, or violin, this tuner ensures your instrument sounds perfect every time. It also features a chromatic mode for versatile tuning across different instruments and musical styles. One of the highlights of the NBGT20 is its high brightness color screen. No matter if you are in bright sunlight or a dim room, the screen is easy to read at a glance. Combined with intuitive note indicators, it simplifies tuning so you can quickly see which string needs adjustment. This saves time and keeps your practice flowing smoothly. Accuracy is key, and the B&B GT20 delivers ultra-precise tuning. With support for 12-tone equal temperament, it meets professional standards and gives consistent results. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned player, this tuner guarantees your instrument stays perfectly in tune. The design is also smart and practical. Its 360-degree adjustable screen lets you find the best viewing angle, while the scratch-proof clip lined with soft silicone padding secures the tuner without harming your instrument. Compact and lightweight, the NBGT20 fits easily in your pocket or guitar case, so you can carry it anywhere. Another great feature is its rechargeable battery system. Powered by two LIR 2030 batteries, the NBGT20 supports over 130 tuning sessions per charge. This eco-friendly setup reduces disposable battery waste and saves you money over time, making it convenient and environmentally conscious. In real life, this tuner proves extremely useful. You can quickly adjust your instrument before a jam session, a practice session, or a live performance. Its plug-and-play operation makes tuning simple for anyone, so you spend less time fussing and more time playing. This tuner is perfect for all musicians who want reliability and ease. Beginners will love the simple controls, and experienced players will appreciate the accuracy and versatility. From casual hobbyists to gigging performers, the B&B GT20 Rechargeable Guitar Tuner is designed to meet the needs of every musician. Don't miss this handy tool for keeping your music in perfect pitch. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your setup. Like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more amazing finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.